Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hello everyone, and today we'll do some jellyfish. So who don't like jellyfish, right? So for the jellyfish, what you need is your pencil, eraser, paper, and some watercolor or regular paint. So let's get started.
So I took my paper vertically. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a little curvy line all the way here. A nice and even curve. Very nice. See, my first curve was not that perfect. Good job. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm making some wiggly lines like this, like a wave, but do not create any same pattern. You can just make it uneven pattern. Very nice. Good job. Now, we will make another curved line, but this one will start not from here, we'll start from a little inside and we'll go all the way toward this, almost close to here. Very nice. Good job. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm gonna make some wiggly lines all the way here. Some of them smaller, some of them bigger. Do not make it even size, like try to make it a little uneven. So that's it. That's all our sketching. It's pretty easy. And take your eraser, and if you have any extra lines, you can just erase those lines and make it very neat and clean. So what I'm gonna need for the coloring, what we need two brushes. I took one is little bigger and one is little smaller, and I need my red, orange, yellow, blue, and some purple. So those are the colors we need. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, I have my water. It's just a plain water. My water looks a little colorful because I just mixed all the color, but this is okay. But make sure you don't have any solid color inside your water. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here, I will take my yellow first and then apply my yellow all over here. Beautiful. Very good. See, I'm coming all the way to the bottom, but do not go to the second line yet. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my orange and then color a little bit of orange right over here. Beautiful. Very good. And now you take your red and color the red just a tiny bit, the top area. Do not bring that color too much down here. So the top part should be fine. That's all. Now I'm gonna take my same orange and I'm making some curvy line here. Very good. And making it a little bit thicker, maybe double line. Very nice. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow and just apply this bottom, and after the yellow I'm gonna take my red and just, if you see, not doing too much, just applying my red over here. And I'm gonna take my purple, a little bit of purple, and then apply the purple just very gently, very lightly over here. Very good. Now this part, which one I'm gonna show you, you can totally skip this part. This is a little bit of risky, but if you want to try, you can just try it. What I'm doing, I just took a tiny bit of orange and I'm making some wiggly line. Not all the small lines, all the pencil line. If you see, I'm not following that pencil line. We'll do that as well, but not right now. Right now I just made some random line here. Very good. Now you change your brush and then take solid color like red, purple, blue, and then now I'm making those little lines, wiggly lines, which one we did with the pencil. So you can make some of them orange, some of them red, maybe some of them little purple. Very nice. Good job, guys. See over here, I'm going over the pencil. Beautiful. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, please do subscribe. And I'm gonna put the link for my Instagram, so if you are not following me on Instagram, you can just follow me over there as well. Okay, so this is pretty much it. And see, it looks beautiful. Very, very pretty. And then I'm gonna take my little more purple and just add some curls over here, just a little bit like this. Remember, we did some curvy lines, so for that. Very nice, good job. Okay, so let me know how you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any video request for me, you can just let me know. I can make that video for you, right? All right, bye. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next episode. Bye bye.